This is a song about Democrats. We gotta go back to the day. About a couple 100 years ago, the Democrats all had slaves. Abraham Lincoln tried to set the slaves free. He caught resistance from the Democratic Party. I know this may sound crazy, but the Democrats fought for slavery. The 13th and the 15th Amendment, they tried to block it with liberals in government. 1920 Democratic Convention, when the Klan was really into lynching. Now the Democrats want to change the song, cause they know that they were wrong. Now they throw their hands up, they changing their song, and the Democrats lie all day. Chilling in their safe space, yeah. Hating on the white race, yeah. They throw a bunch of rocks at the policemen, and they wonder why they get tased. Yeah, it's the party of the KKK. Yeah, it's the party of the KKK. The Democrats run the ghettos now. They're giving out government pay. Cash the checks so they get their bling. They give them more money than working at the Burger King. Who needs a job when they're giving you money? That's why they vote for the Democratic Party. The Democrats run the ghettos, but the poor people can't read the memo. Change the plot, change the story. If it's about Donald Trump, make it really, really gory. Donald J. Trump is gonna drain that swamp.